Thanks, Scott.
Okay, oh my god.
So here's Claire.
No death grip, hold on. Ah, I just shocked myself.
Learning how to sharpen
Starting
skates.
on a bad start. Okay, ready? So I start here.
No, start towards the word in the middle.
Okay, so like
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Oh my god. Nailing it, nailing it, nailing it, nailing it, nailing it. Holy, was that good?
Yeah, that was good.
F yeah.
That's pretty good for a first time.
Okay, again. Okay.
That looked like a good one.
Last one. One more time.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Perfect.
Nice.
Oh my god, I feel so Canadian right now. 7 years of experience, 1 day. Oh yeah. Okay, thanks.
Thanks, Scott.
Yeah, let's see how straight you were now.
What is this?
It's a level, so it sees how level the sharpen was. So
Is it pretty
Oh
level?
my gosh. That is, look at that.
It's level.
natural.
Woohoo!
You know, volleyball doesn't work out.
Yeah.